Caleb here, ladies and gentlemen. Quick video intro, something I wanted to share with you guys that we recently did. Power steering for a letter series John Deere. I'm not a John Deere guy. I'm an Oliver guy. I don't know very little about two cylinders, but this was a project for a neighbor that helps us out quite a bit. So we thought we'd tackle it. Wanted power steering put on his John Deere G. Now, normally with the Berlin setups or whatever people made over the years, it sits up high, out exposed, the lines drape down over the hood, and it looks atrocious. This guy didn't want this. He wanted it under the hood, out of sight. We did use a Charlin power steering motor, plain old, nothing really special about it. I had to build the brackets for it. The real problem, the real challenge came in, and if you search on Google and around the internet, is everybody, or the vast majority of people used GM Saginaw style pump, similar to what would be seen here. And it looked not right. It hung out off to the side. And this was the real engineering feat, was to get a pump that would fit in the space requirements that we had. Pressure gallons per minute wasn't that particular, but I wanted to share. It was a power steering pump off of a 2001 Honda Elantra that we ended up using. We had to do some machining, reverse the outlet elbow, but here's the end product, and I hope you guys enjoy it.